Hey guys, welcome to my video. This year I'm trying to clean this PC my neighbor dropped off. And the main problem with this computer is that it's overheating at 90 degrees, doing nothing on the desktop. And I bring it outside and I give it a good brush, and I kept brushing. So I'll put up the specs here real quick. It's nothing mind-blowing. It's just a basic school computer. GT 710, nothing special. So yeah, I keep brushing here and there, and I bring it back inside and I try to remove the front cover of the cooler, but as you can see me later struggling to remove that, so I decided nah, I'll just leave it in along with the fan. So I'm unscrewing the cooler now, and I'm gonna be cleaning it, brushing it, and just simply repasting it. So I'm not gonna do a deep clean on this computer because it's on a tight schedule and my neighbor needs it 2 hours after she dropped it off. Yes, and this owner is a she. So you can see me trying to remove the cooler now. Yeah, it's very dry thermal paste. You can see that in the heatsink earlier there's little to no left, and it's very crusty. And sorry for the video quality, it's not top notch. And here I am using the Thermaltake TG7 thermal paste. But before that, I grabbed some alcohol and removed the crusty paste along with it. So yeah, enjoy this very long time lapse. I'll be testing the computer later for if there are any changes. So you can see me here brushing the fan, and I wasn't able to get the front cover off, so I decided to leave it alone just to avoid any damage further. So I just give the fan a good brush. It's not really clogged with dust, and I know it's gonna need some deep cleaning in the future. So here I am applying thermal paste. So just a simple dot, because later when the heatsink is nice and firm, it's gonna be squished all the way out. So here I am booting up the PC, check if it still works, and luckily it did. No surprise there. So it's gonna take a long time to boot, and I cut it out, dropped the camera, waited it for boot for a long time, and then proceeded to open the downloaded application, which is the hardware info, and there's a lot of private stuff. No, you cannot see that. And we open HW info here. So this PC does have a hard drive in it. It's not very fast, so loading times are really a drag and slow. So it took me a while. So it's a hard drive, 12 gigs of RAM. Yeah. And now we can see the temperature. Idle temps are now 49 degrees. So that's it. Thank you.